Well, good morning and welcome again to another How To. And today we're going to be looking at how to install Boomerang in your Gmail account. And the reason for doing this is I use this to send out emails. Now, this add-on it has a lot of other features, but I'm only going to talk about this one because this is the only one that I use. So with that said, I am going to share my screen. I'm just going to share my whole screen this time instead of just the um, the window. Okay. With that said, let me close this up here. Get that out of the way. And I am going to open my browser. Okay, there we go. Now I have, I think I can move this. I'm not sure here. Yeah, it just seems to be in the way otherwise all the time. Uh, if you go in your search engine and you just search for Boomerang plugin and you click on the link that it gives you, it'll open this website up and you can just click on this tab and add this feature to your Gmail account. And that's what I did. Now I'm going to go to my Gmail and we're just going to do a mock email that I will send out on a given day and time. So first of all, I'm going to click on compose and then I'm going to just send it to myself for now because I don't want to send it to anybody else. And I'm just going to say group meeting. And then I would put in here, let's do this. I'm just going to go to my Zoom. Zoom login. There's my sign in. And, okay. I'm all logged in. And we'll take the scripture reading meeting and say I'm going to send that out. And then I'll just go ahead and do a copy of the invitation, copy it to the clipboard, come back to my message, paste it in there. Now this, you can do this. This you don't need to do to use Boomerang, but I'm just creating an email to show you how. Now, instead of clicking the send button, I'm going to say send later. And then instead of sending later, I am going to schedule a reoccurring message. Okay. Now I can set it up for weekly, monthly, whatever. I'm going to leave it on weekly, once a week, every 1 week. And then I'm going to do it on a Saturday. And that Saturday meeting is going to be, it says after 10 messages or no end date. I'm going to click no end date, so it's just a perpetual thing. And the only way I get rid of it is delete it myself. Okay. And now I'm going to schedule that meeting. Okay. Now it's scheduled. It's setting it up. Okay. It's all set. Now, if you wanted to delete that message, you would, let me just move this out of the way. See this little icon here? It says Boomerang. If I click on Boomerang and go to manage scheduled meetings. Okay. And these are the messages that will be sent later. This is the reoccurring messages. And these are all the ones. This is the one we just created now. If you noticed, I have 3 other ones. One is for scripture reading, one's for Bible study, and one's for worship. And these will automatically go out every week. This one goes out on a Monday. This one goes out on a Wednesday. And this one goes out on a Sunday. And it gives you the duration, how long it's going to be. And it'll I don't have to send them out at all. Okay, now let me just close this tab. By the way, if I clicked on this, I could delete it right here, cancel, okay? But also I want to show you something else. I'm going to go back to email. And if you look on the side here, you'll see all my folders. It created a folder. This is the Boomerang folder. And you won't see anything in there, but Boomerang Outbox. Okay. I can also click on it here, the one I just created. And I can hit the delete button here, so I can delete it there as well as here. So either way, it doesn't make any difference. So I'm going to just close that, leave the check mark in here, and I'm going to delete it. Okay, so that's how I use Boomerang. And it automatically installs it, puts it in my Gmail, and it adds this little Boomerang icon, which you can learn how to use it, so forth on it here. So that's actually what I wanted to show you today. So using Boomerang is a good tool for sending out, automatically sends out reoccurring email for the different meetings that we have in the church. Johnny brought up what happens if the meeting is canceled. This email will go out automatic, but you'll have to send another one out saying that disregard this email, that the meeting has been canceled. Simple enough, so people understand there's no meeting. Okay, so with that said, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. There we go. And that's it for today. So just another how-to. Bye for now.